The Nokia X300 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be an ultra-flagship powerhouse, built to deliver top-tier performance across every category. It features a stunning 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display that promises exceptional sharpness, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth motion, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and productivity. Powering the device is the high-end Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with an enormous 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, ensuring blistering speed, effortless multitasking, and more than enough capacity for apps, games, and media. The massive 8,500 mAh battery keeps the phone running comfortably through even the heaviest usage, while 120W fast charging ensures it recharges in a fraction of the time. On the camera side, the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G steps into a new league with its incredible 300MP main camera, engineered to capture ultra-detailed photos and sharp, vibrant videos. Overall, this device represents a bold leap forward for Nokia, offering extreme performance, futuristic specs, and a truly premium flagship experience.